Vigorun Tech, one of the top and leading remotely controlled rubber-tracked chassis undercarriage manufacturers in China, focuses on the research and development of remote control and autopilot unmanned vehicles. Remote control lawn mowers and remote control chassis are our current main products. The remote chassis is beautiful and strong, and the body is reinforced to carry heavy loads. It uses the mature remote control technology that has been applied to remote control lawn mowers. Equipped with a function expansion module, which can control additional 4 channels, it can easily control and expand other functions required by customers without professional remote control knowledge. On the basis of our chassis, you can freely add other functional modules to create a new vehicle that meets your own needs. We are looking for distributors and dealers all